Today's the day. It's going in. It's going in, boys. We're trying to figure out where the hell to put this strap so it's level.
We're gonna go under there.
So we get it on the crane and then drop it in. Get the other two mounts bolted up when it's on the crane, just because it'll be easier. I think I've got to take the front one off. I think at the same time I'll take the power steering off. So.
No, do it.
Yeah, fuck it. We'll give it a go.
Hey, this is a big lump.
I know, it's fucking big, innit?
Compared to what was in it.
I know. That thing there. Ah, where is it? It's looking sad now. Bless it. It's about to go down. Right, we need to bolt the other two on first. We'll get that done now. Damn.
Today is the day.
With some of these mounts, by the way, guys, like some bolts, you have to like chop and change from factory bolts that use, you know, for the D series to come out, because some bolts just weren't long enough for existing holes. I'll just explain. Like this here,
Sash. No.
right, because this here, there's quite a big step. It's like a 6mm gap. So the factory bolts that came out of this location, because they don't provide any bolts with the kit, the factory bolt that came out of this location was way too short. So I don't. To be honest, I can't remember where I got these ones from. But no, they weren't. Everything came out of here that I put back in. But you know, not a clue. I couldn't tell you. But you know, keep every bolt you take out if you do an actual swap and don't have just an empty shell. And yeah, you'll find it. So we're gonna get other ones on. I don't have anything for this at the minute, but by the look of it, if we can't find something to fit, we'll just drill through and get a nut and bolt on it.
We've got some here anyway.
Yeah, I've got loads of spares anyway. So, got to try and find a nut for this. Take this front mount off because it's not needed. I'm gonna have to take the power steering off as well because it just won't fit. You have to bash this in for it to fit properly, and I'd rather just not have that at all. And you know, no power steering for the win. I think I've shown the loop. Right, so we found a nut that fits this thread. I'm not left-handed. There we go. But I've not got a clue where it came from. Like I say, save all your bolts. Not a clue. Right. Give me this. Just make sure it's fucking tight. Right. And then we found some sort of Subaru thread as well, because it's all the same chap. Not that, yeah, it was that one, wasn't it? Yeah. It looks nothing like the rest, but it don't matter.
So yeah, just got to find a nut for this one.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be dropping in.
Yeah. Right, so, damn. Shit, man. Right, we found, I think it's a Subaru suspension bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah, because, yeah.
Nut.
Yeah, nut. Anyway, it's ready to go in. We're gonna see how easy or hard this is. Look, look at the size of that. Oh, it's not ready. Right. Hold on, I'm no good at lowering because that goes fast. Wow. Right, it's got to go more towards you. Oh wait, no, we're just gonna have to do a lot of wiggling, guys. I'm gonna have to put the phone down, sorry.
When it's in, we'll show you.
Yeah, when it's in, we'll show you. What an absolute arsehole of a job, guys. This was awful to put in so far. We got the back mount in, we did that one first. This was just way out of place. We finally got that one in. And we're having to adjust the bracket on this one. We've had to file it down to allow more room. I think that it was just badly made from factory, this mount was. But we're gonna get it in. I don't know if it'll be today, but this is being awful. We're like 3 hours in nearly just to bloody put 3 mounts in. It was awful, but hopefully once it's in, it'll be worth it. Alright guys, after like about 3 hours, I think it was, we've finally got it done. It's finally in. Yeah, the only thing I'd say to other people is make sure you got patience, because that was an arse of a job. We had to adapt this one, these 2 bolts here, file a bit more of the hole this way just so it fit. I don't know why, it was just badly made. This side here had to get filed as well because the bolt, the way they made the holes, they didn't line up straight. It was kind of like on a diagonal like this instead of going straight through. So I had to file that, put a good washer there, and I think it'll be fine. This side, I just need to tighten this bolt down here. Obviously I need to tighten this one down here. I'm just calling it for today. But yeah, it's in. It is finally in. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you in the next one.